Nataka kuambia Mheshimiwa Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, it is only a wrong person that can do any other duty when the nation is suffering from corona. BBI suspended in 3 years ago your goal vision of Agenda 4. Right now, we could not be talking about oxygen, insufficiency of oxygen in hospitals because of universal health care. But because of the confusion that was brought to your office through what is called handshake, your Agenda 4, which could have become your legacy, is gone with a confused Raila Odinga. So it's that now you are talking of BBI, you want signatures with Raila when people want medicine in hospitals. You are talking today about handshake when the current health situation requires that no more handshake. Things are bad because of corona. Leave handshake away, leave the satanic reggae away, concentrate on this very 1 year. It's only 1 year, my friend. Only 1 year, President. To do something with only health sector. Because food security is gone, farmers are crying, tea farmers here received only 8 shillings bonuses, everything is ridiculous. Wewe unatuambia BBI ati signature na watu wanajaa hospitali. Juzi MP aliaga nyumbani kule Western because of lack of oxygen. Our MP, even MP can die because of lack of oxygen in Mumia's hospital. What about the needy people in the village? They are only under the grace of God. Wacha kutuletea maneno ya BBI signatures what? We are telling you, wananchi wamekasirika na hiyo maneno ya BBI. People are sick, people are dying, you are talking of BBI. People have got no food, you are talking of BBI. And you are ready to waste 14 billion asking people yes or no. This is nonsense. Jambo lingine nataka kusema, Januari wazazi wote Kenya hawana school fees. Walifutwa kazi, wenye walikuwa wanafanya kazi mahoteli. Wengi wamefutwa wako nyumbani. Watapata wapi pesa ya kulipia karo watoto wao? President, the only legacy you can leave is to declare free education for 1 year. Free education. You are talking of collecting signatures when our children are dying of COVID in schools without simple mask of 50 shillings. Shame on you, both Raila and Uhuru. Shame on you. Hawa watoto ya matajiri, mwingine alikuwa mtoto ya president, mwingine alikuwa mtoto ya deputy president. They don't understand. Principals are dying in schools. Teachers are dying in schools. Our children are becoming COVID every day because of lack of a simple mask. And you're talking of spending 14 billion collecting signatures and going for referendum.